I'm caught in your whisper. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you, from you. Ooh, I'm caught in your whisper. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you.
Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be one that I've been dying to do. I feel like we have been working so hard to get this beauty cupboard looking just super sweet. It's taken us a long time, guys, and if I'm honest, it's not as impressive as maybe some other people out there. I know that some people have got like a full-on wall, a beauty room and stuff like that. Unfortunately, I only have this beautiful cupboard, so I have to be really like, what's that word? Like strict with myself on what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna give away. So in here is kind of like my holy grail, things that I absolutely love. I'm gonna show you exactly what's in my beauty cupboard, plus all of the different ways that I've basically organized it, so it makes sense. And hopefully if it gives you any ideas, or if you, like me, live in a very small apartment and you are limited in space, then this might be a really good way for you to store up your makeup or your stuff. I don't know, maybe you don't have makeup stuff, maybe you've got something else. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so we are gonna start off with here. So the actual unit itself is actually from Ikea, and all of the storage boxes inside are also from Ikea. So I can't remember what this is called, but I will try and find it on Ikea, and I'll pop a link down below in the description box so you know exactly what it is. We basically couldn't find this, so this actually comes as like one big unit, like as a 6, but you're meant to drill them together. So instead of drilling them together, we just kept it as a solo, and then you can pick your doors, and you can pick different doors and stuff. So I just went for like a shiny white, nice clean door, so just, you know, keep it nice and cute. And inside you can adjust the shelves really easily, so you just basically pin wherever you want. And what we've got is basically 3 different doors, sorry. And yeah, you basically can get these are like felt, they're really easy. I personally love them. If I'm honest with you, I wish that they could kind of fill in this kind of space. I wish that they were perfectly flush, but there is a bit of a gap, so sometimes I do just like squish things in there. But what I absolutely love is, let's say that I want a sheet mask, I can just pull that right out and then go through it and just pick a sheet mask. So it's just a lot better than Alex drawers. When I started collecting makeup, I actually had 2 big Alex drawers, that were the really big wide ones, and they just were not cute, guys. Like the shelves were really hard to open up, and if you open up all the shelves, it kind of like collapsed on itself. So I still have them in a different place. Yeah, this is just so much easier for me. I just find it so helpful. So we're gonna go through all the different like categories. Maybe we'll start at the top and work our way down. So first up, we have our tanning bits. So in here, oh my god, this is so heavy. We have, I'm just gonna show you some of my favorites. So we've got the Face Halo body. Honestly, I'm obsessed with Face Halo, and I was so honored to be like the first person in the UK to actually get my hands on this product. It was so nice to meet Lizzie. Literally, she just got off a plane and met me for breakfast, and I was like, what is my life? Like, thank you so much for meeting me. I love Face Halo. And then in here we have our tanning mitts. We have a really cute like hair and body shine mist from Way. And my favorite tan at the moment, you probably already know what it is in my bathroom, but I absolutely, wait, should I get it for you? Okay, let me just get it for you. Obviously you guys probably already know, but my favorite tan at the moment is Bondi Sands. I've actually just had to go and grab this from my bathroom because this is where it sits, because I love a fake tan moment. And this is their Aero, it's called Aerated Self Tanning Foam. It's almost finished, guys, so if you haven't tried this, definitely try it. It's absolutely amazing. And in here I have the mousse, I've got some Huda Beauty body glows, I've got the Fenty Beauty body glow. She's a bit full, not gonna lie, it's a little bit full, so I have to be very concise about what I keep. Basically my rule is, if it doesn't fit in here, then I really need to think about, do I need to keep it? Do I give it to a friend? Do I give it to someone who might need it more than me? Or do I put it in the giveaway? which I'm always doing. I know you guys know that I always do giveaways. Next up is nails. So in the nails drawer, we basically have a bit of a mix. We have some brush cleansers. We also have some more face halos. I have a few more. So in here, we can kind of see it's maybe a little bit messy, but we have some of our Style Pro makeup brush cleanser. We have a Clinique brush cleanser. I haven't used these yet. I have used this a few times. This is really good if you've got like loads of build up on products. We've got some nail bits as well. So we've got some nail polishes. I never really do my own nails because I'm not very good at nails, but I do try sometimes. And my absolutely favorite brush cleanser at the moment is going to be this one from Unicorn Cosmetics. I am obsessed with this. It's basically like a soap bar. Let me try and show you. I can't open it with one hand. My God, look at this. This is so beautiful. So this is the brand new one. I've had to order another one because they're so good. Smells so good. And I personally feel like this makes your brushes so clean and so soft. Like there's nothing else I found that is as good as this. So check it out, guys. Check it out. Okay, next up we have skincare. Yeah, I think that you can tell that I'm kind of skincare obsessed. We have 2 drawers just for skincare. So we have one full of cleansers. We then have skincare, which is kind of like my moisturizers. So in here we have some Drunk Elephant. We have Tatcha. You know how much I love Tatcha so much. We have some Kiehl's. In my cleansers, we have, actually this is kind of like face masks. Oops, we might need to change this. But yeah, we have some Glam Glow, we have some L'Oreal, again some more Tatcha. And then over here, we can kind of see that we have my Foreos. I'm absolutely obsessed with Foreo. I feel like it's such an amazing brand. I live for it. I have the toothbrush, I have the Lunas, I have the UFOs, and of course we have some brand new squeaky clean face halos, and these are amazing. You basically just wet them and it takes off all of your makeup, but I really like using them whenever I apply a mask or like loads of skincare, and it just really helps clean your face, and you can wash them and reuse them, so that's amazing. Then moving on, we have sheet masks. Woo! There is a lot of sheet masks in here. So we have all of the Foreo ones, and then we have all of these single ones. We've got some from Patchology, Charlotte Tilbury, some from Rodial. This is actually one of my favorite brands at the moment. It's called Too Cool for School, and it's their egg cream mask. Their cleanser is like insane, guys. You need to try it. You need to check it out. And I like to keep them nice and compact and neat, all in there. Literally grab a face mask, get your friends around, have a moment. And then next, guys, this is so full. Look at this. This is ridiculous, really. But here we have brand new box skincare. Some of my favorites are the Jet Lag Mask from Summer Fridays. Their stuff is insane. Like, I love this. I always use this when I'm on a flight. We have some Ulla Henriksen, some more Tatcha, Elemis, and this is Sunday Riley. This is my favorite cleanser. This is a brand new one. So these are kind of like doubles of my favorites. And this cleanser just leaves your skin like super nice. So I'm almost finished. So this is my backup when I finish off that. Whew. He's still with me. He's still with me. Okay, moving on down here. Let's come down a little bit more. Okay, so over here we have hair care. So for those of you that don't know, I actually started off as a session hairstylist, and I used to work backstage and with celebrities. But this is kind of like a stash of my favorites. I don't really use that many hair products on myself, but I definitely love these products. So we have some from Way. They're just amazing. And then we've got some from Bumble and Bumble, some Kiehl's, Windle and Moody, and R&Co. But I absolutely love Way. And I think one of my favorites is like this treatment mask. It's so good, guys. Moving on, we've got setting sprays. I have a bit of an addiction to setting sprays. There is a lot of all-nighter. This is probably my favorite setting spray of all time. All-nighter setting spray is insane, guys. If you want your makeup to just stay put and not budge. Yeah, I have way too many of these, but I just love it. I live for it. I live for urban. And there's also this one. This is really nice. This is from Morphe. And it's like such a nice thin mist. Oh my God, I love it. It's so good if you like somewhere hot. Right next to that, we have primers. And I know that some people love primers and some people don't like primers, but I live for a primer moment. I have combination skin. I just basically feel like if I use a primer, then my pores are a lot smoother and my makeup just goes on so much nicer. So we have some Huda Beauty in here, some Porefessional by Benefit Cosmetics. I don't know why there's these mini ones in here. These are not primers, but these are so cute. Look at that. It's like a mini all-nighter. And then what we also have is some Fenty Beauty, some Dior, some Tatcha. There's a lot going on here, so it's very cute. We love that. Okay, I'm gonna get down on my knees now for you guys. Oh yeah, just for you. So next we have foundations. This one's getting a little bit packed. I don't think this is meant to be in here. Whoopsie. Okay, no, this is actually a tanning oil that you mix with your foundation, I've been told, apparently. Okay, so in here we have Hourglass, we have some Dior, we've got Too Faced. I'm actually using the Face and Body foundation. I'm not wearing it today, but I have been using it and I absolutely love it, guys. These are some other shades. We've got some MAC, some Too Faced, some Fenty, some Charlotte Tilbury. So these are kind of like new or ones that I use. And then even bigger than that is my concealers. Because your boy's got dark circles and it just can't be helped. So in here we have so many concealers. It's actually a joke. We have some from Tarte. We have some from Fenty Beauty, NARS. This is like one of my favorite concealers of all time. I absolutely love this concealer. And then we also have Jouer. I love this one as well. This is like really full coverage. Like this is the one I use on a day-to-day. And I really like using like ones that are my shade and also a little bit lighter as well if I want to like highlight or contour. So that's concealers. Next up, we have eyes. So in here, I've kind of just put in like liners, maybe like some liquid liners, some mascaras, eyeshadows, just like little bits and bobs of eyes, you know what I mean? So we have the brand new Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara that comes in blue and then the extra black one. And then we also have their pencils as well. We have the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which is insane. Yeah, it's just like loads of little bits, which I love. So if I'm feeling a little bit more creative, I'll just literally take all of that out and like rummage through it and be like, okay, what eye look that I want to do. Then we have powders. I am obsessed with powders. I feel like for me to make my skin look really smooth, because I'm quite oily, powders are like my best friend. So we have a lot of Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty powders. The Charlotte Tilbury one is insane. This is a double. I actually use this in my personal makeup bag. This is my all over face powder at the moment. Again, this is a double. I've got some Hoola bronzer. It's got my name on it, guys. How cute is this? This is so adorable. And there's the brand new like Benefit ones as well in there, which is insane. So love, love, love. Again, this is slightly overflowing. So I either need to upgrade and make powders bigger, or I need to go through it and make sure that it's all good. Next up is beauty blenders. I have so many beauty blenders, but I still feel like I do not have a lot. So these are Blotterazzi, guys. If you've never heard of them, they are insane. So I basically, oh, this is what they look like. So these are some doubles as well. I always carry one around with me, and I feel like my friend Twee got me hooked on this. So basically what I love about these is like just during the day, instead of applying more makeup, you literally just tap your face, and then it kind of like just gets rid of oil and keeps things like in the right place, but it doesn't take away your makeup or like add more makeup on. So this is insane. If you're oily like me, please try this. And then the rest here is just a mix of like fluffy new beauty blenders and just even boxed ones. So that's like my little stash. You can never have enough, never, guys. Next up, we have some palettes. Yeah, like we have the James Charles palette. You can see this is slightly loved. I have been digging in. Actually, it still looks quite good, I think. Actually, it's not so bad. Yeah, this is the James Charles and Morphe collab palette. Obviously, you guys know I did give one of these away. So congratulations to the winner. We have some Huda Beauty in here. We also have some NARS palettes. There's a whole mix. But yeah, actually not that many palettes. Like, I could have more. Next up is like one of my favorite boxes, and it's gonna be highlighters. I live for a highlight moment. I love glowing. I love my skin to look super, super glowy. So in here we have some Huda Beauty palettes. We've got the Hourglass ones. We have some of the Cover FX. We've got the Pat McGrath, the new one. We've got Artist Couture. Like, there's a whole moment in here. So I'm always looking for the like ultimate beautiful glow. I feel like it depends what I'm wearing and where I'm going. So at the moment I'm actually loving that Dior Glow palette, but it's a little bit more of a natural glow, but I absolutely love it. Okay guys, we're gonna get down with me now. Let's get nice and cozy. Okay, so next up we have lashes, and obviously you guys know I have my own lashes. I'm so sad they're not gonna be in stores for much longer. I think this collab is gonna end around about September or not. So if you haven't already got your pair, make sure you go to your nearest Superdrug and get a pair. I recently did do a giveaway with 20 winners as well, which was international, just to make sure that everyone across the world could get a pair. Honestly, I still cannot believe that I have my own lash and my face is on a box and it's in like hundreds of stores across the country. Like, it's really, really surreal. And honestly, I don't know. I don't want to get emotional, but I feel like it's all thanks to like my friends and my family and everyone who's like supported me to have this. Like it's so surreal. Like I still can't even believe that. I just feel like I'm at home and like suddenly I've got my own lash, but yeah. Moving on, we have brows. So brows is also overflowing. We have some Tweezerman tweezers. We have some Precisely My Brow. I think this is my all-time favorite brow product at the moment. So we love a Benefit brow. I also really like this brow blade from Urban Decay. It gives you kind of like hair-like strokes, which is amazing. And then with glitter, oh, this drawer is a little bit, this one's a little bit empty. So we have some cute stars from MAC Cosmetics. How cute is this? We also have some bits from the Gypsy Shrine and also Artist Couture. Shout out to Mac Daddy. Like he always makes the most amazing products. And these, personally, I find are so easy to just like amp up your eye look and just make it super cute. A little shout out to Twee as well. I've still got her diamond dips in here as well. And then we're gonna finish off with some extras. So in extras, guys, it's just like miscellaneous bits and bobs. We've got a Style Pro brush cleanser. We have hair tongs. How random is this? We have some, what is this? Oh, these are like heads for the clippers. We have some hair nets in case you want your hair, you know, your edges to be laid. And just like random bits and bobs, plus some hand sanitizer. I don't know. You know, you always need that drawer. Do you know what I mean? You always need that drawer with just like extra stuff. And then lastly, we have lips. This is probably the hardest one for me to kind of like pick through because there's so much lip products that I have sent, so it's so hard. We have some NYX. I've already said that. We've got some Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, this is insane. So good. I love this. Yeah, so that's pretty much like all the little bits and bobs. I personally, like I said, love a nude, so I kind of try and have a few little fun colors, but the rest of it, I just love a nude, really. I love a gloss. I feel like this has been a video that you guys have really requested so much. So many of you are like, I really want to see your beauty makeup collection. It's kind of scary like actually doing this, and I feel like it's taken me such a long time to get it like this. I'm gonna pop as many links as possible of all the little bits and bobs that I got and throw it in the description box below. Okay, also guys, I found this in my house. This is so embarrassing, but like I said, you can never have enough beauty blenders. I actually have this jar full of the different like flesh tones. These have never been used before, but I mean, isn't this goals? This is so goals. Like, I'm so proud of this. I love this. All right, guys, so that is it. That is my beauty cupboard tour. I hope that you have absolutely loved it. So for now, I'm gonna say, keep it cute, have moments. If you need anything else, give me a shout. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and tell me what video you'd like to see next. I really want to do series, guys. So let me know what kind of series you want to know and watch in the description box below. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Woo!